Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these calf raised boots. These are in the color brown. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check them out. You can see they do come in a nice box like this. They come individually wrapped just to make sure that they do not get scuffed up during the shipping process. So let's go ahead and take it out. Look at these boots. I'm going to give you a closer look on that. Take a look. Super nice. They do have a wide calf. The thing about these boots is that they don't have a zipper, so they just slip right in. That is the heel. Nice thin heel. Nice stitching on the back. You go ahead and show you the bottom. So take a look. As you can see, it does have this grip right here, so it's going to go ahead and prevent it from slipping. Very, very nice bottom. This is what that looks like. So you can see this is the front. It is nice and pointy. So you can see this is the front, nice and pointy front. Super, super nice material. All right, so I have both of the boots right here. Take a look. Super nice wide calf boots. They are available in a variety of colors. Let's go ahead and try these on.
These boots have a 3.54-inch stiletto heel, are perfect for festivals, concerts, weddings, and they are super comfortable.
So overall, if you're looking for some mid-size calf boots, definitely check these out. They are so comfortable. I absolutely love that they do have a wide calf. I do have wide calves, so they actually slipped right in. As you can see, they are not tight. There's actually a gap in between. Super cute. You can pair these up with a variety of different options like pants, a skirt, shorts, and like I just paired it up with a romper and they look super cute. So overall, if you're looking for some nice boots, definitely check these out.